In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your list in Notion. Simple and perfect for beginners. Today, I'll show you how to set up your list in Notion. Simple and perfect for beginners. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized list you can check off throughout your day, and you'll understand exactly how the basics work. Start by creating a new page. Look for the New Page button, click it, and give your page a clear name so you recognize it later. For this walkthrough, name it My List. Naming your page at the start helps you keep your workspace tidy, especially if you plan to create multiple lists or projects. Now, add your first to-do. In Notion, the quickest way to create a checkbox is with a slash command. Type /to-do, then press Enter. You'll see a checkbox appear, ready for your first task. This is the building block of your list. Each to-do is its own block, which means you can easily reorder items later by dragging them if you need to. Continue adding tasks the same way. For each item you want on your list, type /to-do and press Enter again. To make this practical, add a few example tasks so you can see how a full list looks. Try check emails, morning meeting, plan content ideas, update client list, take break and stretch, and end-of-day summary. Keep your task names short and action-focused so they're easy to scan. If you think of more items, just keep using the same /to-do command to add them. As you move through your day, mark tasks as done by clicking the checkbox next to each one. The checkmark gives you a quick visual cue of progress, and you can uncheck an item at any time if you need to revisit it. If your list starts to grow, you can keep it simple or add a bit of structure. To organize by time of day or priority, create headings by typing /H2 or /H3 and naming them morning tasks, afternoon tasks, or evening tasks. Then add your /to-do items underneath each heading. This keeps related tasks together and makes it easier to focus on what matters right now. And that's how you set up your list in Notion. Quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. Like, share, and subscribe for more Notion tutorials.